Now Mr. Saiful Islam, age 45, from Jikatola, Dhaka. Lower portion of my body full of ringworm. When it start itching, I cannot control myself. Affected area became wet and blood coming out. Since many months I take glycobin after cure for some time, but it attack again and dangerously. Now I am passing a hopeless life. I want a good suggestion from you.
First of all, you have to change your food habit. Next 3 months, you cannot eat or touch any mutton or beef. In winter season in our country, there are various kinds of vegetables. You should take huge quantity of vegetables and take it. Next 3 months, you should use the neem tail mixed with up turmeric with it and used it just like a ointment to your whole body, which shown and unshown. Another one thing, for better curement, you should take small pieces of turmeric to your mouth. For better curement in this period, every time you put small pieces of turmeric along with long in your mouth. I think so. In this process, you will be cured as soon as possible.
Okay, why ringworm attack human body?
Fungus is the main causes to attack this disease. We always try to clean our body. Which person attacked this disease, he should take bath twice a day.
Yeah,
Even somebody don't want to bath once time in a day.
yeah,
Bath is the main thing. You should take bath twice a day.
yeah.
Another one thing, you should avoid to wear friends' clothes. Never use other person clothes.
Yeah.
Then another one thing, you have to clean your all the clothes very nicely with fresh water. Even sometimes we use our friends' clothes, but they attack different disease, and this disease can attack you also. So try to keep you clean, and your cloth is clean. You will never attack by this disease. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Our this questioner, Tahmina Akhtar from Chittagong, this question related with her husband. Her husband is 45 years old. He is involved in a garments business. When he returns home at night, his behavior is very painful. Always he is in big temper. I and all the members of family become disappointed. Now I want a herbal solution from you. Thank you.
Tahmina Akhtar, your question is very sensible, and from the view of my point, you control your husband according to your method. From my points, I want to give you some suggestion. You smash mehendi or Ghrito Kumari and put a layer on your husband's head. Secondly, for a good result, I want to inform you, never allow your husband at night to take beef, milk, egg and masoor dal. It will be increase his temper. So be careful and take care of this. Thank you, Tahmina.
Okay, after use Mehdi, some person attacked in coldness. What is the solution of this problem?
Thank you for your questions. In my medical service, from my experience, I saw many person cannot tolerate the coldness. If any person is used to attack by the coldness and he cannot assume this thing, so no need to use this layer. But in our human body, the cough should be coming out. When it will come out from your body, you feel relaxed. So, who attacked by sinusitis, head fever, headache and cough problem, they will be suffer from these problems. But who can tolerate these things, he can use these things, so he can use this layer of Mehdi.
Nazrul Islam Khan from Nilphamari. He is 58 years old. His question is, I was a army officer. For the interest of service, I have to go abroad twice. I was wounded by bullet. After operation, the bullet removed from my leg, and after 1 year later, I voluntarily retired from my service. Now I observed the affected place is itching and something coming out from there. According to herbal method, I want to cure of my problem.
Thank you, Mr. Nazrul Islam Khan. You are a brave son of our soil. Due to interest of service, you wounded by bullet. We are very sorry for this, but we are proud of you also. Nowadays, itching and something coming out from your wounded area. So, my suggestion is every day you have to wash that affected area very neatly. Then use that place, put a layer of raw turmeric and mehdi. Use it 1 month long. In your food, for better curement, you should take few pieces of garlic, green chili and onion. The juices of this thing is highly contains of antiseptic and the healing power. So you should take garlic, onions and green chili in your food. But remember, never take it before meal. I think so. You will be cured as soon as possible. Thank you.
Our this questioner is Omar Farooq from Gulbagh, Dhaka. He is 30 years old. His question is, when I was a student of university, I fell in love with a girl. By the decision of both family, we agreed to marry, but an evening during load shedding time, we are talking each other by cell phone. At that time, she was stepping stair and coming down. But suddenly she fell down. Due to this, her spinal cord broken and she became paralyzed. Now I want to marry her without family permission. Due to humanitarian ground, is there any treatment of herbal method? I want your suggestion.
So, Mr. Omar Farooq, I am very sorry to listen your questions, but this is the problem of an orthopedic doctor. At first, as soon as possible, you have to consult with a orthopedic doctor regarding this problem. But if you want to meet with me, please come to my chamber, meet with me. I will give you a good solution to overcome your this problem. I will do everything free of cost for you. If I want to telephone any expert for you, I will do it. So please come meet with me. I will do something for you and try to solve your problem. Thank you.
Mazibur Rahman from Hazaribagh, Dhaka. He is 35 years old. His question is, day by day I become fatty. Last 3 months my weight increased 7 kg. Now I am 75 kg. Use the stair for up and down. I become very tired. It is very difficult for me to do the simple work also. Now I want a herbal solution from you.
Thank you, Mr. Majibur Rahman, for your questions. Your weight is actually very high. It is dangerous for you. According to medical science, overweight person is attacked by various kind of diseases from his surroundings. So be careful of this. Nowadays, you have to drink sufficient boiled water. Then another one thing, you should take papaya every day. It will be weight at least half kg. Then you have to stop or prevent your dinner. Don't take dinner at night. For better solution, you have to meet one consultant doctor, take advice and try to walk morning and evening for good solutions. It will be give you to reduce your weight. Nowadays in Bangladesh, many medicine is available for reducing weight. Please don't try these things. Meet with the consultant doctor and try to solve your problem. Thank you.
Dear viewers, you are listening the valuable answer of your question from Dr. Muhammad Alamgir Moti. We are now at the end of this program. If you want to need any suggestion regarding these programs, please contact. Our address is SH Multimedia Production 48 by 1 Matijil Commercial Area, Dhaka 1000. If you want to contact with us by your mobile phone, please contact this number. The mobile number is 01712 828 791 and 01914 67 112. Please bless for us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.